Hello, friends! Welcome back to our English Stories channel. Today's story is called Golden Windows. Listen carefully and enjoy this beautiful story with a lesson at the end.
Golden Windows. Little Molly lived in a small town. Her house was near a river and a mountain. She was the only child in her family. Her parents were not rich, but they were happy. Their house was small and made of wood. Big trees and plants grew around the house. Molly did not like her house. She thought it was too small and not clean. On the mountain, there was an old castle. The castle had shining golden windows. When the sun shone, the windows looked very beautiful. Molly loved that castle and hated her own house. She was kind, and she knew her parents worked hard, so she stayed quiet. But still, she wanted the golden windows. When she was 12 years old, Molly asked her mother, "Can I go to the garden near the river?" Her mother agreed and said, "Do not go too far." Molly decided to climb the mountain. She wanted to see the golden windows closely. She rode her bicycle and climbed the mountain road. When she reached the top, she was surprised. The castle was dirty and broken. The windows were not golden. They were dark and ugly. Molly was very sad. Then she looked down at her own house. She saw one window shining like gold. It was the sun and water making the window glow. She understood the truth. Her own house had golden windows. She was already living in her dream home.
Thank you for watching. What did we learn today? We learned that all that glitters is not gold. Sometimes the things we dream of are already with us. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. See you in the next video.